How to undo a stitch in another row. In this video, we'll show you what to do when you discover a mistake with a stitch a few rows down. You'll be able to correct this mistake without having to unravel all the rows you've worked. Knit until you reach the column of stitches that your accidental stitch is in. Then carefully slip the next stitch off your left needle. We'll now ladder down until we reach our mistake. Carefully undo the loops of each stitch row after row. The last stitch we want to undo is the stitch we made incorrectly. In our sample, we've purled this stitch instead of knitting it. We're now ready to redo all the stitches in this column. As our sample is worked in stocking stitch, we want to fix our pattern by recreating a knit stitch in each row. You can use a sewing needle or a crochet hook to pick up the loops. Insert your needle or hook through the front of the last correct stitch. Then bring the loose strand through this stitch from the back to the front. We've now redone one knit stitch. Repeat this for each row. Insert your needle or hook through the front, then bring the loose strand through the stitch to the front. Top tip: to rework purl stitches, you will slip the loops from front to back to create the purl bump on the front. Continue until all laddered stitches have been reworked. Now slip the last stitch onto your left needle. You are now ready to continue knitting your project.